Welcome back to another Costco Keep or Return. Today we are going to be replacing this old quick and hot water system with something we got online at Costco.com, this InSinkErator HOT250. The entire set on Costco is only $350, whereas if you purchase them separately on Amazon, this alone would cost you close to $400, and this would be $135. So you save close to $200 getting it from Costco, and it is a filtered hot and cold water system, whereas this one is only a hot water system and it is not filtered water. Old and inefficient, so we're hoping to replace it with this one and get much better quality water. Let's get to the unboxing. So yeah, this one has been clonking out on us and it's not even really working. The tubes are eroding, it's leaking. First step, if you have one, remove your old I'm going to put this InSinkErator replaced by 101925. Right here. All right, so we just got finished installing the InSinkErator HOT250 water system with the filter. Super easy job. Just something to note is that you do need a T-fitting, which is not included with the supplies provided. This is your filtered water, cool, and then their hot water. Ooh, wow. You gotta make sure you hold down. Do you see that steam coming out? Instant hot water. Ooh. Okay. Yummy. We're now going to test the water quality of all our water supplies. This is a digital TDS meter, which you can also get off Amazon. All of our supplies here and descriptions will be linked in the description box down below with links. Very handy dandy tool. This is your TDS guide. How pure is your water? 0, 50, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Tells you this is your average tap water here. And this is your ideal. Okay, this is straight tap water. Da-da-da-dum. 365 ppm, which is right in this range here, which is average tap. High tap mineral springs. Let's do the filtered water now with the InSinkErator HOT250 with our F2000S water filter. Cleared here at 0 ppm. Done. 186. 186. All right. This is your very average, this is Kirkland water filter system, but it's like comparable to a Brita. Turn it on, clear, and we're done with the installation, and we've tested the water, the TDS rating on all of our water supplies, and the InSinkErator came out as the winner by far. This is going to be a keep for us, the InSinkErator HOT250 from Costco. A great deal compared to buying it separately. $350 for the whole set with the filter system, easy installation. All the links and information will be in our description box down below. Keep an eye out for more videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.